The health advantages of Moringa Powder. Hello there, viewers! I am looking for Moringa Powder. It has been utilized as an alternative medicine in many Asian cultures, but only lately have some of its benefits been scientifically confirmed. These include microbial characteristics as well as the capacity to preserve important organs such as the liver. Welcome to the Health Hub, where information meets motivation and wellness, creating more connected health tips to help people on their path to better health. In this video, we are going to the health advantages of Moringa Powder. Let's get started right away. 1. It can prevent cancer. Yes, you heard correctly. This Moringa Powder can reduce the risk of developing cancer. To set the record clear, it cannot alone cure cancer. We have not yet been so fortunate. However, sometimes prevention is preferable to treatment. At least, so believe the elderly. How exactly does it prevent cancer? In fact, it is one of the primary instruments that saves us. We are discussing niacinamide, which is known to inhibit the growth of malignant cells. Therefore, when cancer cells are prevented from developing, they cannot cause cancer. Obviously, this is easier said than done, and there is still a possibility that some cells will develop. This does not negate the fact that Moringa Powder is very effective at suppressing it. In spite of the fact that nothing is perfect, cancer suppression is fairly cool. 2. It works as an antidepressant. But don't just take our word for it. Moringa oleifera, one of the primary components of Moringa Powder, was discovered to have antidepressant properties in a study. There you have it, a scientific seal of approval. Maybe you might try Moringa Powder the next time you feel depressed or anxious. However, like many antidepressants, we would not advise you to overdose, especially if you've never done anything like this before. So, before using Moringa Powder, consult with someone who is knowledgeable about it. 3. It strengthens your bones. As we age, we begin to lose bone density. This is where two essential ingredients can be of assistance. Among these is phosphorus. The second is calcium. Moringa Powder possesses both. Consequently, it would be an excellent complement to your diet. It would ensure that your bone density loss is not negatively influencing your body and that you have sufficient calcium to recover. Recently discovered is the fact that Moringa can aid arthritis patients. Moringa extracts have been found to be very beneficial for arthritis treatment. Now you have an additional reason to appreciate this exquisite natural care. Although it has been powdered, it is still relatively natural. 4. It protects the liver. While research yields varied outcomes, Moringa Powder is generally your lover's best buddy. Moringa Powder was quite efficient in protecting against hepatitis in one case. It also replenishes enzymes, which reduces liver damage. Because your liver is in charge of creating bile, when it becomes sick, your body suffers greatly. This is where Moringa Powder reveals its genuine essence. It has potent anti-inflammatory qualities that protect your liver from infection. These same qualities protect the organ from harm. This is starting to smell bad. 5. Helpful for asthma. Wow, this doesn't cure asthma altogether. I apologize, but things are as they are. It can reduce the severity of asthma. Asthmatics are aware of the dangers associated with asthma attacks. Having something that can reduce the severity and frequency of the assaults is therefore advantageous. In addition, Moringa Powder provides protection against bronchial constrictions. Additionally, it is believed to enhance the overall function of the lungs. Not bad for a powder that is undervalued in the majority of the globe. If you have enjoyed this one, you will adore the next one. 6. It fights bacteria. We are aware that you anticipated this outcome. We mentioned at the start of the video that Moringa Powder is effective against bacteria. The time has come to examine this claim in greater detail. Consider a study that utilized one of the most well-known bacterial infections, camel abscess. It results in anemia and weight loss. Guess what happened when it was isolated in the laboratory and tested with Moringa oleifera extracts? Moringa oleifera was able to mitigate the potential injury caused by the abscess in the camel. This is primarily attributable to its antibacterial properties. Although it is unlikely that you will encounter these bacteria, you can still use Moringa Powder against all other varieties you may encounter. 7. It's beneficial for your hair. All of us have experienced a time in our lives when we either lost or damaged our hair. I am certain I have. Also, moringa can assist you with this. It is known that moringa seed oil has properties that prevent free radicals from damaging hair. Moringa powder possesses the same qualities as moringa seeds. In other terms, the effect would be comparable. Antibacterial properties of moringa will also play an important role in this case. Additionally, it is an excellent source of protein. Therefore, whenever you have filaments of hair that are weak, use conditioner. This could be your secret weapon as it can enhance the content of your product. Oh, and since we are discussing protein, we couldn't help but bring up the following point. Number 8. It regulates hypertension. A few months ago, we published a video detailing how to lower your blood pressure. Here is an alternative, moringa powder. This video's protagonist is also the mortal adversary of hypertension. Hypertension is caused by an increase in the heart's blood pumping rate, which exerts pressure on the arteries and blood vessels. This is where moringa powder can be of assistance. Moringa possesses two main weapons, one of which is isothiocyanate and other is niacinamide. These instruments are extremely effective against hypertension because they prevent the thickening of the arteries. As a consequence, it reduces blood vessel pressure. Sounds amazing, right? Therefore, include it in your diet. 9. It adores the skin. Moringa is beneficial to your epidermis. It accelerates the production of the well-known protein collagen. This protein aids in the healing of scars and incisions. Moringa's antimicrobial properties also aid in reducing wrinkles and eliminating acne blemishes. In other terms, it can make hair appear significantly younger. Additionally, it is essential to note that moringa aids to purify the blood. In the process, it also eliminates toxins from the epidermis. Consume some moringa powder the next time you feel like you have too many wounds or wrinkles. Oh, and it also tightens and improves the texture of your epidermis. Now, we will discuss the next point. 10. It lowers blood glucose levels. Let me forewarn you in advance. Don't drastically reduce your blood sugar levels. Especially if you have diabetes, it can be extremely dangerous. This is why I mentioned at the outset of the video that you should make sure to ask a dosage expert. Anyway, let's return to the topic we were discussing. Moringa reduces protein and sugar levels in the urine. Additionally, it reduces the quantity of sugar and glucose in the blood. Therefore, it inhibits a blood sugar spike. This helps to control diabetes and enhance your blood's hemoglobin levels. It also increases your body's total protein content. Therefore, those with diabetes need not fret. As long as you have moringa powder, you should be fine. Have you ever used moringa powder? Would you recommend this video to others after seeing it? Hopefully, this video has answered a couple of questions. This video, as always, is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like, subscribe, and comment for more health tips.